Don't tell me that crap. Itong tanda kong ito, marami na ako nakasalumuhang kagaya mo. Kasi I cannot concur with your statement as a lawmaker.
Because yung iba po, binibigyan lang po ng permit to carry with 500 rounds.
Nanalo na nga sila with that eh.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have to loosen the law? For you to win again?
Or to maintain?
Maintain lang po natin.
Siguro, yan.
That's why I do not
Lagyan lang
agree
po
with your
natin.
point, Mr. Reyes.
Chairman Ako, now you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. May I know from the resource persons, the manufacturers, the shooters association, is owning a firearm a right or a privilege? Let's start sa general principle. Is owning a firearm a right or a privilege?
It is a right of every citizen to protect themselves,
No, I'm not asking that
regardless
question.
of what
I'm asking
we use legally.
the question whether ownership of a gun is a right or a privilege.
Well, since we have to defend
that is in
ourselves
the Constitution.
with whatever legal
Kindly answer my
unit,
question
then
directly.
we
Yes or
believe
no?
it is a right. Yes, Mr. Congressman, we believe
Yes. No more.
it is
Yeah.
a right.
It's okay.
Yes.
How about you,
If
Mr.
we're
Reyes?
qualified.
Yes,
It's a right?
it's a right. Like,
Okay.
It's almost like owning a car. It's a right to own a
Okay.
car.
Yeah.
In my opinion po, Your Honors, it is a privilege to own a firearm.
Thank you. Kayo po.
Attorney Gutierrez, you are raising your hand, please.
Attorney Rodriguez, Your Honor. Anyway, technically and legally, it is a statutory right. A right granted by law.
Okay. You want to ask?
Kindly present to me a provision of law that makes it a statutory right, that ownership of a gun is a right.
Yes, Your Honor.
What provision of law?
RA 10591.
What provision of 10591 would it state that it is a right? Abogado po kayo, di po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
It's a statutory right, meaning it is granted by
It
law.
is provided for by law.
Yes.
Nagkaintindihan tayo. Abogado rin po ako eh.
Yes, I know.
Oh. Kaya nga, what provision of law? Kindly state that provision of law. Kasi sinasabi mo statutory right. I'm asking you, what law grants that statutory right?
We'll check on the provision, Your Honor, of the law, and I'll get back here.
Yes, hanapin mo lahat
Yes.
yan. Wala akong makita.
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Castillo from DND.
From DND?
From DND.
Go
The
ahead.
right to own firearms under the law is only a privilege, right, Mr. Chair? The rights that are mandated are those the right enshrined in our Constitution. But the right to own firearms is merely a privilege, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
PNP, please.
Sir, it is a privilege.
Yeah, Eddie.
Asek Racho, please.
Mr. Chair, it is a privilege, sir.
All right.
About transnational crime.
Attorney Martin Ontok.
Your Honors, I would have to echo the sentiments of my colleagues. It is a privilege, Your Honor, and not a right.
Yeah, Congressman, ako, can I be allowed to speak? Attorney Lacambra, Your Honor.
Okay, you are recognized, Attorney
We need
Lacambra.
to distinguish between the two basic rights. Since it's now allowed by the law, it's
Ano
now
po ang
considered
allowed by law?
for the RA
Let's be clear about
10591,
it.
Your
Kasi
Honor.
very specific yung tanong ko.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ownership of a gun.
It
is
is
it a
a-
right or privilege?
We need to distinguish, Your Honor. Since it's now allowed by law,
What do
it
you
is
need to
a
distinguish sa ownership of a gun?
it's now a statutory right, Your Honor.
Ownership
Because-
of a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po
Statutory
ang
right.
provision?
The state policy of the RA 10591 itself states, Your Honor, granting the private citizen to the right to own a licensed firearm, Your Honor.
You
It's a
please read the
statutory
provision
right.
of law na specifies ownership of a gun?
Yes, Your Honor.
The right to own a gun or right to self-defense ang sinasabi.
My partner will answer it, Your Honor.
So we have the copy of Republic Act 10591. What particular section of Republic Act 10591 are you pertaining with? Kasi yun ang tanong ni Congressman Acop.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, state it, please.
Article on registration and licensing,
Article what?
Section 8, anong article? Article 3, Your Honor. Article 3 of RA 10591, Section 9. It says there, subject to the requirements set forth in this Act and payment of required fees, a qualified individual may be issued the appropriate license under the following categories.
May be issued.
Yes.
May be issued.
Yes.
In other words, it is subject to regulations.
Well,
would you agree with me?
Yes, Your Honor. Of course. That's 10591. I think we are getting confused between
I'm
a
not
privilege.
confused, attorney.
No, the
I'm
confusion.
the one asking questions here.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not confused.
Okay.
I would like to read also a decision of the Supreme Court
I'm familiar with that, Your
Acosta versus Ochoa, date, GR number 2111559, October 15, 2019. The gist of that decision is that use of firearms is a privilege, not a right. There is no constitutional right to bear arms. Neither is the ownership or possession of a firearm a property right.
We agree, Your Honor.
Wala na tayong pagdebatihan kung nag-agree ka, attorney.
Hindi.
Di ba?
I think we have to
Ikaw naman gusto mo pa lumusot eh. Huwag kang
clarify the
lumusot.
privilege and statutory right. It's practically almost the same and synonymous.
Walang nagsasabi directly na statutory right to own a firearm. No. I would beg to disagree with you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes.
Alright.
Huwag ka na lumusot,
So,
attorney.
ang pinag-usapan
Kasi, bago ako pumunta rito, nag-research na ako. Kayo, hindi nyo pa nga siguro nababasa yung mga ito eh.
We are very familiar with that, Your Honor.
Come on, attorney. Don't tell me that crap. Itong tanda kong ito, marami na ako nakasalamuhang kagaya mo. Noong palusot.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. So, Mr. Efren Reyes, kasamahan ko sa pelikula. Ilan na ba napatay mo sa pelikula using licensed
Ilang beses
firearms?
na akong pinatay. Good morning, Mr. Chairman and Your Honor.
You are now recognized, Mr. Efren Reyes Jr. Go ahead.
Thank you po. As a representative of Philippine Shooters and Match Officers Confederation headed by former TESDA Secretary Suharto Mangudadatu, former congressman too. I'm being the Vice President External of PSMOC. The position right now is I agree with mostly of all their resentments and with regards to the mga bills na they're trying to pass, and the position right now for PSMOC is with the shooters. Ever since the enactment of the RA 10591, we have been what you call this disenfranchised. Nawala na po ang karapatan ng mga shooters with regards to permit to transport. Before, we were enjoying permit to transport na mga 6 months, even yung iba nga mga binibigyan pa ng 1 year na permit to transport to all firing ranges in the Philippines, including practices and competitions. Ngayon, we are merely limited to 5 days for every competition. Wala pang, kung magpa-practice ka, kailangan pang kumuha ng permit to transport ulit. Masyadong nalilimitahan yung galaw ng mga shooters natin, where in fact, our shooters also represent the Philippines in world competitions. By limiting our practices and competitions, nahihirapan tayo sumali. But in fact, lately, we have been champions in world shoot. Mr. Topacio, saan yun? 1, 2, 3, sila ang tatlong pan-Pilipinas lahat ang nanalo. Australasia ba? We are one of the best shooters in the world. if we restrict our shooters, baka bumaba tayo sa standing natin. Yun lang po ang request ng PISMO for this time.
Mr. Reyes, I would like to disagree with you. Wala pa naman itong mga batas na ito nung nanalo ng 1, 2, 3, di po ba?
Ito na
Wala pa
po.
naman eh. It's the present law kung bakit nanalo yung ating mga competitors na sinasabi mo. Why would you say na hindi naman nanalo kung ipapasa natin itong mga bills na ito? What is your
By
basis?
nalilimitahan po yung ibang mga shooters
Hindi na
natin.
nalilimitahan nun. Nanalo na nga sila eh. Ikaw na mismo ang nagsabi.
Opo,
Oh.
yung iba po, meron kang
So, ibig
konting...
mo sabihin, kailangan natin luwagan.
Luwagan lang po natin. Ang
Bakit po?
Ha? Dahil nalilimitahan po yung mga competitors
Hindi,
natin.
It's limited by law. Bakit po natin luluwagan? What is your logic behind that?
Logic
Kasi hindi,
being...
I cannot concur with your statement as a lawmaker.
Because
I
yung
cannot.
iba po, binibigyan lang po ng permit to carry with 500 rounds.
Nanalo na nga sila with that eh.
Yes, sir.
Why do you have to loosen the law? For you to win again?
Or to maintain.
Maintain lang po
Yan.
natin.
Siguro, yan.
That's why I do not
lagyan lang
agree
po
with your
natin.
point, Mr. Reyes.
Kasi nga po, yung mga nakaraang mga chief PNP po, I'm not mentioning na, napunta po sa chief PNP ang pagbibigay ng permit to carry sa mga sport shooters, wherein we do not carry, we merely transport the firearms.
Hindi. Ang point ko, Mr. Reyes, with the
Opo.
present law, nanalo na kayo ng 1, 2, 3. Yun ang sabi mo eh.
Opo.
Tapos ngayon, luluwagan para magkaroon kayo ng 5,000 na ammunition for one. Kasi limited to 500 according to the law.
The 500 is for the transport of the firearm, of the ammunition to the range.
Yes.
Yung 5,000...
That is not enough.
The 500, usually po, 500 is kung minsan kinukulang pa ang shooter sa firing range for a competition.
Yung PNP, do you agree with that? That 500 is not enough for practice? For one practice session?
They can replenish it.
Under the law, they can replenish? Oh, what's the problem?
Opo.
Wala palang problema eh.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, we will just submit our position paper later.